sleep in.
You want me to read it to you?
Spencer, do you want to look at the present?
Hey, grandson, your birthday seems like a good time to tell you how much you're loved. Look, Spencer. Very much, ridiculously much, more than you'll ever know much. Always. Happy birthday. We love you, Granddad and Mama.
So let Nathan read it now for his.
Open your present. Spencer, no, from Mama.
That's cute.
Right around the corner. It's mine?
What is it? Show it to me. What is it?
What is that?
Hold it up, Spencer.
That's ridiculous. Oh, I haven't heard from him.
Still?
What do you tell Mama?
You got lost. As far as I know.
Spencer.
Mama, I don't know what it is.
Spencer, that's mine.
Spencer, what do you,
No, that's mine. No, that's mine.
what do you tell Mama?
What is it?
You're welcome, darling.
No, Spencer, this is mine.
Mama, tell him happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
To
darling.
the camera.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Spencer.
Open it.
Whose birthday is it, Spencer?
Landon said, oh, what did we get?
Who else's birthday is it? Is it? Spencer, is it anybody else's birthday? Who else?
Granddaddy.
Is it his birthday?
Hey.